Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Thomas. Today we're back here with another episode of Chimp. Well, it's back to Palworld again, but this time, I told it on, coward, because Grizzbolt's got a minigun. Yeah. Look out, you're gonna get mowed down if you're not careful. Well, might as well see who gets victim to the minigun. Victim? I don't know if that's a word, but we're gonna roll with it. Be sure to like, subscribe for more. Hope you enjoy. Let's go.
Hey you! Something big is coming. And no, it isn't your ding-dong. Introducing brand new Chimp merch.
Okay.
Are you getting too much hand cramps from playing too much Fortnite?
Yeah, I'm good.
Why not try yourself a Chimp mouse pad? It comes
As
with
female model, I'm not surprised.
Soft padded.
Bro.
Don't put what I think you're putting in there, you sicko. Along with this, you can also get yourself this fully customized hoodie.
Ooh, actually looks pretty dope.
Skin on your body. Saving the best until last. Grab yourself a limited time Chimp plushie.
Ow.
Including a wiggly tongue and a punchable face. Go over to agentink.gg to get yourself some
Oh, he actually looks pretty dope, I gotta admit.
That is agentink.gg.
Yep, agentink.gg. And apparently a sticker, too. I think it's a sticker, but... Hey, we're inside, let's go! Ah, Pokemon! No, that's Electabuzz. Really?
Pikachu.
That's not even close! Uh-oh! That's a Grizzbolt! Grizzbolt, uh-oh! Grizzbolt used Minigun! Fire! This is what you get for saying it's Pikachu! I can imagine that's what happened. Oh, geez, hello! Wow, you got spooked by that?
It's okay, I'm well protected.
Oh my god.
Oh, she's got her own! Lulu. No, that's not Lulu. Sorry, second Pokemon World.
Got their pals.
Oh, that's cute.
He's got their own pals.
AKA the bullet sponge, I think, on that sheet.
Can we trade? I want that one.
No, yours look more peaceful.
I want that one.
Peaceful.
I want that one.
I want one.
Damn
it!
No, mine.
Give it.
Get it!
Oh,
Give it! Give it! Give it! Give it! Thank you. Die!
Get robbed!
Get off! Very much. Nope. Well, let's see if anyone sees Pikachu this time. Oh, it's summoned.
Pikachu. What? Huh?
Uh-oh.
Pikachu? What the hell? Oh my god.
Yahoo! Yeah!
Oh, okay, that guy went.
Wait, what happened? I didn't see it. There he is. Damn! There he goes.
Oh god.
Yeah! Oh, there he goes.
Just a nugget.
Jesus Christ. Electabuzz, right? It's gonna be better now? Oh my god.
Pikachu.
Oh my god.
There he Nice tunes.
Richard McCourt and Dominic Wood prepare to play the first bogeys of 2004.
What? The
Let's
hell?
start 0.8.
What the?
Wood straight back in with a 1.5.
Elijah Wood?
The monkey. Where's the monkey?
He's done it. That's a 1.8.
What is going on here?
Nice bogey.
Oh! Look now!
Bogeys! I can't shout it out and my voice is Bogeys!
Bucket!
And McCall showing them who's the daddy. 8.6.
What the hell is going on here?
Bogeys.
Oh, okay. I win. I was weak.
Bogeys.
What happened? Did he?
Bogeys. We get coming one
What
big
was that?
bogey. There you go.
Bogeys! Scared Peter.
That was a brilliant bogey.
Bogeys! I don't get it, dude. Oh, hey Sub-Zero, how you doing? Okay.
Finish him. Wait. Before you do that,
Eh?
massage him.
Massage him? What?
You dare defy the great Shao Kahn, Lord of the Outworld and creator of all that is evil.
Didn't you just say finish him?
Massage him.
What? Okay, don't think he saw this coming.
Okay, I feel good.
Loosen up those muscles
All over my face.
That's good.
You think there'll be a kisser? What is going on here? Kalina, huh?
Wait, what?
What are you doing?
No, I'm not gonna bathe him. Okay, he's fine. He's clean as is. He took a shower before.
Why we're cutting?
Ay, ay, ay. He just looks away. What is going on today?
I can imagine child is going nuts.
Sponge bath? Is he fixing an old man or something?
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Wait,
What cow?
Wait, what?
Huh? What the
Because
fuck?
usually I freeze the guy and I just punch their heads off and there's little blood crystals of.
Whatever. Do whatever you want. I don't care.
Okay, now we're back.
Okay, here we go again.
Before you do your thing, I was wondering if you could
Now what?
finish me.
What?
Wait, what?
Wait, huh? What is going on?
Give it a bullet.
Sub-Zero.
What is this a reference to? I couldn't want to find the
Come
video.
on, man. Let's rub it out.
Nope, no.
Get out.
Don't you have take some for this?
You know what? Scorpion is hotter than you anyway.
Oh. Oh.
There we go.
Gladly.
Oh, God.
Well, what the hell? Uh-oh. Where'd that come from? Bad girl! Bad girl! Don't think he said. Didn't see this coming. He's. Wait, what? Uh-oh. Please don't.
Help me, help me.
Oh, oh God. Don't. Oh God, run! Run for your life! Yeah, I probably run too. Like, nope.
I fear no man.
What's
I
that
fear-
thing? It scares me.
No, no, bad touch.
Yeah, pretty much. Oh. Actually, here's a sequel coming out soon. Or, I'm not sure this year, but I'll double check. Whoa! Hi!
No, we're good.
Zero.
Brr! That's hot. Sorry, I had to say it.
Mount you snowflake.
Just teabagging them. Okay. What was that? I honestly got nothing else to say to that other than what the fuck. But still, good timing. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you for the next episode. Adios.